What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Lady and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So guys, in today's video you are going to spend a day with me, guys. You are going to spend a day with me, guys. So ngicabanga ukuwasha today, guys. Ngicabanga ukuwasha, ngithe ngizovuka ngiwashe and then angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, ngazumeka ngavuka manje, guys. Yabo, so ngiyabona iwela i-on and off ne, but ngiyafuna ukuwasha, yabo. So into engizoyenza ngizowasha and then ngiqoqe nje izinto yabo ezidinga ukuqoqwa, guys. So you'll do it with me, ne? Sizoyenza sonke, guys. Kahle kahle, you'll be like watching me, yabo, lapho nalapho. So yeah, guys. Oh, and guys, ngisazoya e-mall, ne? Ngizoya e-mall ngithenga impuphu, yeah, maize meal, impuphu. So yeah, guys, if I'm done with everything la endlini, then ngizohamba nge-mall ngithenga impuphu. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys. Watch till the end, please, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you are watching this prank, guys. Go and watch this prank, guys. Please go watch this prank, like, comment, and subscribe. You'll never go wrong.
Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, let me see you do a dance, let me see you twirl, sticking that.
Oh guys, manje ngithatha amanzi ngizowafaka la emshinini. Yeah guys, ngithole ngathi kuyabanda, but kunomoya ne, kunomoya because ngizozidraya lempahla lezi. So yeah, athi nginga-stress too much, ngizozidraya and then the wind izoyenza umsebenzi wayo. So yeah, ngiyale nje ukuthi ingani, yazi, because iwe ya these days ishintsha nje so quickly. So nje I must watch out. Yo,
I just heard about the things that you do, my love. Nigga just like me, if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see the way you shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad little pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, dope, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do a dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do a dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
guys, sengiyifakile iwashini emshinini, guys. Sengiyilindile ukuthi yabo iwashe, yabo nje kahle. So while I am waiting, abangikwenza into yokudla, guys, ngizodla because I am so hungry. Also stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and subscribe, please.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just throw away the reasons why people can't play it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, that's you.
Guys, I am done. Guys, I am done with the laundry. I will show you guys. And also, I'm done cleaning the house. I couldn't vlog that part because, guys, so right now I'm washing dishes, and then after that I'm bathing. So let me show you.
No one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. No, but I just don't wanna leave you. Might just throw away the reasons why people can't play it. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, that's you. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is
Okay guys, I am done now. So right now I am going to bath. I will catch you all when I'm done bathing. Make sure that you are clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I drop on this channel, please. Guys, I am done bathing. Now guys, ngiyaphuma manje sihlangana sinesiphe clubhouse because sizohamba sonke simall. So please don't go anywhere, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys, please. Guys, I'm waiting for him now. Ngapha uyagijima, angimazwa ayagijima guys, kushisa kanje. I don't know if you can see him. Yes. Say hi to my
Hey guys. How are you? Yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe. Sasekhona bafethu as your favorite content creators.
Yes. Danko. After last year, Pick n Pay.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're going to Pick n Pay because I'm doing a singwanya.
Yeah, so please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.
Oh, nice.
How are you?
on but still give me a hero for myself.
So guys, njengoba shilo ukuthi siya Pick n Pay manje. My brother ufuna izinto. So stay tuned.
I'll be out your way, no drama involved. But if you feel it's me, you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need to go in for me to see. That's for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. But that's for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know one time will come. I feel you in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers. That's what that you are loved. Even if you don't love yourself. That you are loved. Even if you don't love yourself.
Guys, right now saluting Archer. So yeah guys, saluting Archer and then Mascota Silk. Yo, Iwashinyam.
Where'd you go? Now you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a car with you.
Guys, sesendleleni ke manje going to buy Archer njengoba shilo. So yeah, keep on watching. And thank you so much guys for 79 subscribers. Road to 100 subscribers guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will keep on doing content for you guys.
Yeah, siyabonga bafethu, siyabonga kakhulu. Thanks for 140 subscribers. On 140 now. Yeah, like nami ngiyazibongela nofero wami ngiyambongela bafethu. Yeah, shout out. Please keep on subscribing guys, because we still got some dope content coming, like every now and then, just always keep guys.
Yeah, so nje guys ungaphuthelwa how kanjani manje. And guys ngicela nibukeleni that prank njengoba bengishilo guys, continue to watch that prank, prank.
Yeah.
Please guys, and subscribe and like, share, comment. Thank you.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said I time to make enough time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. Some could cause won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We had in the past.
Guys, we are done now. Guys, we are back from a mall. So now, so yeah, guys, I'm so tired, yo. I'm so tired. I hope you'll enjoy this vlog, guys. I hope so. So yeah, keep on watching and subscribe. Guys, we are back. Oh, I'm so tired, guys. I am so tired. Guys, I think this is I don't think this is the end of the vlog. I hope you did enjoy this vlog, guys. I hope so. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys. Stay tuned for a Q&A video. Can you please, guys, drop some questions? If you want to ask me anything, please drop it like below comments, guys. On the comment section, please. And also, guys, post on YouTube, like, feel free to ask anything, guys, anything. So yeah, akufani kwamanje so akhona ama questions abantu abangoza wona. So nje stay tuned for a Q&A, guys. Ngizoyenza this week. Ngizoqala ngiposte le vlog leqala before I post in Q&A video. So yeah, guys, I hope you are enjoying your day today. I love you so much. See you on another video. Bye.